To add an AP purchase invoice, go to Applications, Accounts Payable, AP Purchase Invoices, and Add. The date will default to today's date and should be changed to the tax point date of your document. The GL posting date will then change to match, and you can change this here should you wish it to be today's date. It must be a date within an open period. The supplier can be chosen by using this button here to bring down the full list where you can find, if you wish to search, you can either type in part of the number, should you know it, or part of the name. The AP purchase invoice number is the unique number of the document. And reference number can be whatever you choose it to be, but often is used for manual POs should you issue them. The description is the overall general description of the invoice. Terms have defaulted from the supplier and can be changed if required. The due date will automatically populate based on the date of the invoice and the terms. Should your system operate multi-currency, this will appear here and can be changed if required. The account number operates in a similar search fashion to the supplier name. You can either type in the account number you wish to be charged or part of the description. The transaction amount should be the net amount of your invoice or your invoice line, and you can choose which department and location you wish to enter. Should you have more dimensions that require entry, they will appear here. Your tax detail will default from your supplier, and in this case has been set up with a reduced rate VAT of 5%. We need standard VAT for these goods, and we can change that by going in here, finding the rate that we require, and once chosen you can see this rate has changed and the transaction tax has calculated. If you want to change the description to be a little bit more specific, you can do so here. If you've had to change your tax details here, if you click on Show Summary, it will just update things for you down below. And now we have some choices. We can either save this invoice to draft to work on it further later, save it to draft and create a new invoice, or save it down and continue working on the same document. We have actually finished with this document at the moment, so we can either post it, and this will then take us back to our invoice list, or post a new if we've got a batch of invoices and we wish to start a new one. So we're just simply going to post. And as you can see, our invoice has appeared in our list.